Assalamualaikum, hope that you all are well. In this video, we are going to learn how to download and install QGIS. First of all, I have to go to Google Chrome or any browser. In search bar, search QGIS download. Here you see that the website of QGIS. Open it and you will find a page like that. QGIS is an open resources. For that, you don't have to pay for its download or installation. You can download it and install it with free of cost. And if you want to donate, you can donate from here, but I don't want to donate. I go for download and installation, so I will click on skip and go to download. Here you will find two versions. The first one is long term release 3.40 and the second one is latest release 3.44. I will go for 3.40. Click on download. It's loading. This file is almost 1.5 GB, so it will take 10 to 30 minutes time. If your internet speed is good enough, then it will take 5 to 10 minutes only. Here you see download started. After download completed, you will open the file and you will see that preparing install. Click on next, then go accept the term and policy. Click on again next, click on next again, and now click on install. If I click on install, the application will be installed in my PC, but I have already installed, so I no need to install it again. After installation, you can open it very easily from here. In search bar, search QGIS. Here you see I have already installed, so it visible here. In this way, you can easily download and install the QGIS. Hope that you understand. If you want to get more video like this, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any question, please drop in the comment box. Thank you.